this video, we're unboxing and installing the trailer tow harness extension for Ford F-150 2014. This is the trailer tow harness extension. The trailer tow power extension cord. The accessory bag zip ties and mounting screws. The trailer tow harness connector. The instruction manual. The following are the tools required for installing the trailer tow harness extension. Diagonal cutters. 1/4 inch driver bit. Small 7mm socket. Screw gun. Power drill with a 50mm hole saw. Before installing, take the harness out and hold it up. Check the length of different harness extension cords, then pick the right spot for drilling the hole. The harness cord is going to mount right here. Open the bed. Flip out the step. Mark the hole location which need to drill. Use the power drill with the 50mm hole saw to drill the hole. Clean up any debris, then install the trailer tow harness connector. Make sure it sits flush and level. Use the screw gun with the 7mm short socket and run the supplied self-tapping screws in place. Continue to install the other screws. Close the tailgate. Stow the step. Close the tailgate. Now lift the vehicle. Install the harness connector. Unplug the original trailer tow harness connector. Take the protocol wire of the new harness and connect it to the ordinary plug. Use the accessory kit zip ties to secure the harness. Tighten the zip ties. Use the diagonal cutters to trim the excess. Route the harness along the frame rail. Secure any extra length of harness. Continue to use the diagonal cutters to trim the excess. Lower the vehicle.